You can insert a picture in Microsoft Word app just like the way you insert it in your Microsoft Word document on your laptop or PC. And in this tutorial, you will learn that how you can add a picture in Microsoft Word on your mobile. Step 1, you need to open the app and open the document in which you want to insert a picture. I'll just open this test document. You have to click this pencil icon which is on the top, which means that now your document is editable. So towards the bottom right, you will see this arrow up. Click on that and you will see the first tab, that is the home tab. All the options that you see in the home tab you would see here. So you need to click this home tab and then go to the insert tab. So here you will see everything that you would see in the insert tab on your Microsoft Word on your laptop. So in the fourth row you will see that there is an option of pictures. Click on that and from here either you can take a new picture from your camera or click photos and insert the picture from gallery. So browse a picture. I have browsed this picture from my gallery and here you can crop this, rotate, and once you're done you can click done. By the way, you can rotate or crop your picture even once it is inserted within the Microsoft Word. So once it is inserted, you would see that the white dotted circles on either side, which means that right now you can resize your picture by pressing it from any side. So just like that, I have resized my picture and I've moved it towards the right side. This is the mobile view, and if I go back to the editable view, this is the actual view. So after you have resized it, you can see all those options down here. You can wrap the text around this image. You can give the reflection, you can add a shadow, and you can give an outline to your picture just the way I have done it, right? So once you are done with your formatting, just click anywhere and your picture will be ready. If you want to see a full length video of how you can create an assignment in Microsoft Word within your mobile, you can check out this video which I have displayed in the end screen card right now. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.